Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Antugomivadikar. My PRN number is 20144. My branch is Computer Science and Information Technology. Here I am going to explain you one question related to projection of solid. Here I have taken square prism as the model and I am going to explain the question with the help of this model. So let's start the question first. A square prism with side of base 40 mm and axis of height 60 mm is resting on HP on one of its base of its corner such that its axis is inclined at 30 degree to HP and parallel to VP, and draw its projections. So the things that we need here is side of prism 40 mm, axis height 60 mm, and the condition is given resting on one of its corner HP and axis inclination with HP is 30 degree. So let's consider this model first. This is a square prism. These two faces are the base and the base is in square shape. These four faces are rectangular faces and they are equal in measure, and the axis is axis line is made by the joining the center of the two bases. So according to this question, side of prism is 40 mm, axis height is 60 mm, and it's resting on one of its corner. So for drawing projection, for the first stage of projections, we have to consider this model. According to this question, resting on one of its corner, therefore the top view will be in this kind of shape, because as it is resting on one of its corner, this shape we will get, this type of square we will get. And if observer is here, we will get rectangular face, in the front view. The top view will be in this type of square and the front view will be this kind of rectangular face. So first we will draw the first stage. So here I have taken one point and I have measured 45 degree angle and marked 40, and I have taken in compass, I took 40 millimeter and marked 40 millimeter here. So I got the point A1 C3. Here I have taken A1 B2 C3 and again taken 40 millimeter and marked these 2 points here, and I got D4. So in this way I got the square A1 B2, the points C3 and D4. So the next stage is next step is we have to get the front view. So as I explained here, we get a rectangular face in the front view. So how to get front view? We have to project all these lines, all these points in this way. We have to project all these points. So I just extend all these points. The rectangular face will be the front view, that's why all these points we have to project, and then we have to take measurement of 60 millimeter in our compass, and I have just marked here 60 millimeter because axis height is 60 millimeter, that's why I have taken 60 millimeter. So just we have to draw the required line. We will get the front view that is rectangular in shape. So just we have to write the points. This will be A dash, this B, and therefore this will be B dash, D dash, this will be C dash, and the above points will be 1 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, and this will be 3 dash. Then for the second stage, the given condition is we have to remember here axis inclination with HP is 30 degree. Here it is given that axis inclination with the HP is 30 degree. So axis inclination, that is 30 degree, and we have to get the edge inclination. So here I have taken 90 minus 30, so we will get the edge inclination. By using this model, we can easily understand the axis inclination and the edge inclination. So the edge inclination is 60 degree and the axis inclination is 30 degree. So I have taken here one point C dash and measured 60 degree angle by using protractor, and just I have measured 60-degree angle and just extended this line. And then the next step is we have to take measurement of this line and mark the required distance. Again, the A dash, B dash, D dash, this measure also the same. We have to take the required distances and we have to complete this diagram. Same here, we have to take, this will be the 60 millimeter measure, so we have to take here, and just as these two lines are parallel in nature, we can draw a simple line. So we will get this as 1 dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, and this will be 1 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash. So we have completed this figure. So for rechecking, I just if we extend this line, this axis, and this is a xy reference line, so the axis inclination with HP is 30 degree. So if we measure this angle, as you can see here, it is 30 degree. So we have drawn correctly. So for this last part of the second stage, what we have to do, so we have drawn the upper part. As it is given axis inclination with HP is 30 degree, we have to get the base part of this second stage. So here main part is we have to know the visible and the invisible edges. So here I have just I have take to projection of all these points. As you can see here, I have taken projection of all these lines, and this point will be from the two figures. We can get this point is A, this is B, this will be C, this is D, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, as I have mentioned in the figure. So I first drawn the outline because it will be visible to us. If the observer is here, then this outline will be visible to us. If we take projection, this outline will be visible to the observer. I have by dotted line I have shown the invisible edges here. So if A, B and AD are the visible edges, then the DC and the BC will be invisible. If A1 will be visible, then C3 will be invisible because it will go to the back side of the That's why I have shown here with dotted line. These are the invisible edges. If the observer is here, then we can easily understand with this model. If observer is here, BC, DC and C3 will be invisible in nature, and the continuous line I have shown the visible edges. So by using this model, I have tried to explain this example. Thank you so much.